Welcome back to Okay, that's right. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to American Textbook Reading. All right, wait. Not good. Wait for me now. So let's go. My name is Winston. Today we're going over Science Book 3, Book 4, Lesson 2, How Seeds Discover what kind of seeds. Of course, how as usual, difficult word in the unit title, Scarto and find. So to throw or drop objects over and everything come home and you take up your clothes, school clothes to your home comfortable. How do you do? Is you just thinking our first So, showy sheets are next. Next we have blow. Right? How strong can you blow if you young? You can you can have this. You can have this one. You blow them out. You know we have to all the ways, and you can have to, but is below them. Our animal has to happen in natural from the wind, right? A strong wind. The wind blows, and we have a video. Is very important. Video what kind of flower is there? Called a Dan. DAN. Dylan. A lion is not a lion. Is a Dylan in a Dylan type of flowers. Let's watch a video being blown in the wind. Here we go. Dance slow. Let's watch. Okay, here we go. There are the wind clumps. Blows in now. What actually? You see there's this little here those thing. And blows the Dylan sees, and they are scattered how we playing. Reporters, because new plants will grow by the way is very delicious. How? They said you can breathe it. The weather by looking. Weather, the dimensions. We show it, but it's if their hike. Humbly is going to rain. The ocean goes up to them. Choose up, they say, oh, it's going to rain. Interesting. Okay, next word is land. Next word is land. How if something is flying like the wind after a while? After a while, the wind will wake down and found back onto land. And then we say a noun, right? Is the ground on, but land is also a verb because we say to say something that was flying. Ground. The ground after moving in the air to back to the ground to land. What is unimportant? You are going to eat fruit. The ripe means that is eat an eggplant. And surprise, very good. You want to know orange or ripe corn. So I can have tolerance, full ground, and our next now steak, Griffin's kind, and you nose and you move around them, right? Stick here is a verb. Is Griffin's attack. Oh, you grasped them. After you look around me, are these little things we're sticking to your socks or your playpens? And of course, and the stick to attend is something tape. Use a paste, also sticky to stick can be used. It can be used then. So other stick, glue, which have to stick tape. This will stick to you. Okay, next, drop. Let something fall or to fall. Of course, it's a verb then when you have to, of course, when the early is fly to do happens when is lands. Okay, so to drop. From the drop and everywhere's land if the object. So I can landings the good. Not so good Latin bird how to walk in them. Show those little pies, and they are really good. The well what part of them. And you saw they said them. These carefully can be fixed for. Part of planks when the hooks and those hooks them like socks when you have to grow. And I can have to do them is a little stick. And this should say full or first for the ending sound of R. Of course, the hair. That animals that crow. So don't call them. And as there are a lot of them, we have to cannot say this game. We call you have a pet dog or a cat or a mouse. So we cover some animals, not all animals, but many mammals have fur, but not humans. We don't have fur doing that about humans. So, words for the lesson. I can take it. You will be packed. You have to be burdened with back. So rowing have lengths around them. And so how do if they make smaller planks, why will die, right? Because these not enough right lengths. So these planks spread out to sprout them. And they need to scatter. The seized by the wind. Next, nail planks. And later, coconut planked by a baby. And everywhere. So then the new coconut. Everywheres. And with stoves. And everywheres to know. It's get my sick. And you have two providers everywhere. And of 6 when we talk about day when. Everywhere I have to know what were them kinds of seed in this. Oops, sorry. I'm really guys. And everywhere have to know sign we should we say. Everywhere can and bye bye.